Alright, hey there. So, here's the thing. I should be sleeping right now. It is coming up to noon. I got off work a few hours ago, and kids are with the grandparents. Wife is at work, and I'm supposed to be sleeping. See, I got off work at 8 o'clock this morning, and I've been sitting down, relaxing, just haven't been able to. So you know what? Instead, I'm gonna go fishing. So, I am back here at Nees. I am still really iffy about this spot, even though a couple of my more popular videos actually feature this spot. I pulled out that pretty decent sized bass that one day. Next day I pulled out another one. So hopefully in the 2 or 3 hours I have here, I can pull out 1 or 2 more. But we'll see. So if you're seeing this right now, that means somewhere else in this video are fish. And if you're not, then I'm just talking to myself. So I got my bass tackle, what little bass tackle I actually have, since I'm still not much of a bass fisherman. I got my one rod along with my bait caster reel. Just made it down the hill. So let's wander off to one of those ponds out here and get going. See if we can do this. Wish me luck. Yeah, I really wish I had my other rattle trap. That one just seemed to work so much better than this one. This one just seems to be really rough. I don't know what the deal is with it. Ah, damn. Bait casters. Good old bait casters. That's just great. Oh, I got snagged on a big old clump of grass or a stick. Stickfish. There you go, stickfish. All right, there we go. Whoa, there he goes. There he goes. I got him. Here he is. All right. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Not bad. Yeah. Ow. Almost hooked myself. Not bad. He literally hit that just like maybe 10 feet out in front of me. I just switched to a different rattle trap Sorry I couldn't actually film the bite. I actually thought he was a stick at first. It was such a light hit. I mean, you actually saw where I hooked him right here, unfortunately. But so he was a really light hit, but I caught him, so that's good. Yeah, like I said, I'm sorry I couldn't film the actual the hit and the reel in. I was able to turn on the camera though, so at least you could see me reel them in for a bit. Unfortunately, I forgot. Even though I brought my battery pack, I failed to bring my cord for the battery pack. We're gonna get this guy back in the water, send him off, hopefully catch another one. There he goes. Yeah, we'll try a couple casts with the camera on, and maybe we can hook up another one. If not, I'll have to turn. Yeah, there it is. Got him. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. Number 2. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Now be careful. Oh, you got both hooks, huh? Oh, guy, let's not hook me, please. Got him. There we go, number 2. About the same size as the previous one. All right. All right. Right after that second one, too. So there we go. Another nice little bass. Sorry, I gotta take another picture. Show my son what he's missing out on. Let's get this guy back in the water. All right. There he goes. Swam off. Very nice. Woo! All right, well, it's been 2.5 hours, roughly that long. I think I got here a little after 11:30, but we'll just say 2.5 hours. So 2.5 hours out here at Palm and Nees. That first half hour, that's when I caught the fish. So these last couple hours, nothing. I did hook one on a Senko, but I didn't even have it on film. And he threw the hook, so that's even, it's pointless. So 2 fish, 2 nice fish, and for Palm and Nees and me, that's really good. All right, well, so it's just after 2 o'clock. It's hot as all get out, so I'm gonna head home. I was planning on staying out here for a couple more hours just fishing, but I really don't see the point. I don't believe I'll catch anything, and at this point I'll probably, knowing me in this place, I'll probably just get more and more frustrated. So I'm gonna call it while I'm ahead, leave in a good mood, and start dreaming about the next time I go fishing. So thanks everyone who subscribed since my last video. I really appreciate it. Hope you're enjoying what I'm putting out. I also, as I've said previously in some of the videos, that I'm doing this as a hobby. It's definitely a side gig. It's getting me out fishing a lot more, but and even though I've gone fishing at a few more places than I usually do, I'm trying to get out to more. And so I'm going to ask for some people's help. So fishing, I really enjoy fishing. It's my hobby. It's definitely something I love to do. I know there's a lot of people out there both creating YouTube videos and others just watching them. But that also really enjoy getting out and fishing. So if anyone out there is interested, hit me up and I will gladly tag along with you to go fishing. Not necessarily asking for any kind of collaboration. Don't even know how that would really work. But if anyone out there needs somebody to go fishing with, hit me up. I'll contact you back and maybe we can work something out. I mean, fishing anywhere here in Fresno, outside Fresno, pretty much almost anywhere I'm willing to go. So just need to work out the time, the place, all those fun little details. So let me know. I'd appreciate it. And once again, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting and liking these videos. I really appreciate it. And I will see everyone next time on our next little fishing excursion. Y'all take it easy. Get out there and fish.